Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the speaker and putting it into pairing mode. That tells the speaker to advertise itself so your laptop can find it. On your laptop, open Bluetooth settings, Windows, Settings Devices, Mac OS, System Settings Bluetooth, and turn Bluetooth on. Make sure battery levels are sufficient because low power can prevent pairing. Once done, keep speaker and laptop within 310 meters with no heavy interference. This initial step creates the communication channel. Now you scan for available devices in the Bluetooth panel. When the speaker appears, click or tap its name to start pairing. You might see a PIN prompt, confirm it, or simply accept the request. That authenticates the link. After pairing, open sound or audio output settings and select the speaker as the default device so system audio routes there. Once selected, test playback with a short sound or video. If you hear audio, the connection is established and ready. To finish, balance volumes. Set laptop volume to about 70% and adjust speaker level because both controls affect output. This prevents distortion. If audio fails, remove or forget the speaker, restart Bluetooth or reboot the laptop, then pair again. That clears temporary glitches. Additionally, make sure drivers or OS updates are current and the Bluetooth adapter is enabled in Device Manager or System Report. If issues persist, try another device to isolate whether speaker or laptop is the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.